the Masters in Public Policy at Exeter gives students a unique opportunity to study policy making. Policies are things that organisations or communities agree on as desirable priorities, and the policies set out the means they're going to use to achieve those goals. So for example, a public organisation like a government department might have a policy to improve energy efficiency, or local government might have a policy to try to increase citizen participation in recycling. And on the Masters at Exeter, we give students skills to undertake policy analysis and experience of interacting with policymakers, so that it would equip them in order to either study further or work in public or private organisations where policy is an important issue. So one of the strengths in studying in the MSc Public Policy at Exeter is that the people teaching the programme are also involved in public policy research. So to take an example, I'm working with Natural England, who are the government's nature advisors, on policy making towards the natural environment to help local governments incorporate sustainability and environmental outcomes in their local planning. So on the Masters programmes, we bring in some of the techniques that we're using in this policy making process, and students are able to interact with the materials that are actually being used by governments to set contemporary public policy. So our students come from a range of backgrounds, often social science or the humanities, but also sometimes from more of a science-based background. And the Masters in Public Policy gives you an opportunity to study more quantitative skills or more qualitative skills, depending on your background and interests as a student. So for example, we have students who come in, they do the core modules, they'll often do a dissertation that's in a specialist area related to their interests, and they can choose the sorts of skills they want to develop, be they more quantitative or more qualitative.